Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands. Powering this one-owner four-wheel drive SUV is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 9 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the back of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space as well as access to both 12 volt and 110 volt power. You also have access to cargo lights, which are on the back of your lift gate. If we close the lift gate, you can also additionally just open the rear glass. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on all 4 windows. You also have the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. On the dash is your lighting controls and lift gate release. You have your cruise control, display controls, and hands-free audio on the steering wheel, as well as paddle shifters for your 8-speed automatic. You have rain sensing wipers, as well as lane keeping assist and lane departure warning. This car currently has 5,513 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go, your stereo controls as well as auto start stop and your cameras. Here's your dual zone automatic climate controls, heated front seats and heated steering wheel, a wireless phone charger and power ports, gear select, as well as your drivetrain select, which includes Ford's G.O.A.T modes, goes over all terrain. You have the premium cloth and leather seats with the Bronco logo engraved, and the front 2 seats are power adjustable. For the back seat, you have an amazing view of the sun moonroof. You also have seat pockets which are zipped in the back of both front seats. There's rear AC, 2 USB ports, as well as 110 volt power. These are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.